ครับ
of the club, Gary Barnett,
the Suva Bowling Club patron, Mr. Lomax Nawua, the Suva Bowling Club trustees, Mr. Philip Lacey and Mr. Gary Barnett, the Suva Bowling Club president, Mr. Samuel Atui, and what on my list here, the Sri Lanka Commissioner, His Excellency John Fix. So is the New Zealand High Commissioner, His Excellency Jonathan Kerr, Mrs. Kerr, the US Ambassador, Ambassador Joseph Taylor, the Deputy British High Commissioner, Mr. Paul Welsh, the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Youth and Sports, Miss Jennifer Poole, ma'am, the Commander of the RFMF, Admiral William Poto, the Commander of Fiji Correctional Services, former Navy Commander Francis Keane, the corporate partners of the Suva Bowling Club, the management and staff of the Suva Bowling Club, ladies and gentlemen, Ratu Turanga Rotimbau. Hi. Sampurnakan namaste, a very good evening to you all. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I deem it an honor and a great privilege and pleasure indeed to be invited and to officiate as your chief guest at this evening's commemorative event, the official opening of the newly refurbished clubhouse, Suva Bowling Club. Now, this refurbishing work includes the erection of a permanent 16 by 12 meter function tent. This is the one we're in now, I guess. The extension of a canopy to fully cover the outdoor recreation area, and the provision of mahogany outdoor furnishings, chairs, tables, and other amenities. And ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to humbly express my sincere appreciation and gratitude. First of all, to the senior management officials and members of the Suva Bowling Club for kindly inviting me to share with you the joy and satisfaction in achieving the final result of your hard work over these past months, and for our other distinguished guests, the heads of diplomatic missions, members of the diplomatic corps, our proud sponsors, relatives, and friends, for gracing the occasion, or this auspicious and historical occasion, with your presence. How are you? And ladies and gentlemen, your continued interest and support is vital for the future progress and success of this important sporting institution. I'm also reliably informed that the new extension or renovations were all designed, built, and installed by Fijian-owned business entities. And in this regard, it would be remiss of me if I do not acknowledge, commend, and congratulate the committee members, the project team, and the workers for completing the whole refurbishment project in record time and within its limited budgetary allocations, I believe. Now, well done. A most commendable achievement indeed in promoting the Fijian-made brand, particularly during this most difficult and challenging time, consequent upon the very detrimental social and economic impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. What we have witnessed here this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is a most commendable commitment of perseverance and teamwork by the club members and supporters in achieving the desired outcome, and adding another important milestone to the history of the Suva Bowling Club. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Suva Bowling Club, like many established sporting clubs in Fiji, has had its fair share of achievements and challenges over the years since its establishment way back in the 1920s. And I think the Master of Ceremony alluded to some of this earlier on. Now, since independence in 1970, some Fijian bowlers had done exceptionally well and had excelled in local, regional, and international tournaments and competitions, and had stamped our mark as worthy competitors and opponents in the sport. Now, this proud legacy is being maintained and promoted by today's generation of bowlers, who should be commended and continue to be supported by all sports-loving Fijians. As our beloved nation's chief advocate in our national effort to combat the scourge of non-communicable diseases, NCDs, and other related ailments, and in promoting government's wellness program, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank and congratulate the Suva Bowling Club and your members for the very positive manner in which you promptly opened the club and started your local competitions when the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown restrictions were lifted recently. Now, this is symptomatic of a sporting club which is very helpful and positive in supporting government and our overall national effort in endeavoring to come to terms with the harmful effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, which is further compounded by the widespread damage to infrastructure and properties wrecked by Tropical Cyclone Harold. Now, moreover, in renovating the existing premises in your wish to provide better facilities and improve the image of the club is indeed indicative of your love for sports and the resilient nature of our people. Fijian bowler spirit of not wishing to be totally defeated by adversity. Congratulations and well done to all. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in this regard, I'm sure that it must be quite frustrating to our bowling women's trio of Miss Cheryl Ma, Miss Loretta Kote Suva, Miss Elizabeth Modewai, and the men's trio too, of skipper Mr. Sam Mesa, Mr. Ruwatu, Mr. Kushal Pillay, Mr. Raminash Prasad, who initially selected to represent the club at the Mooney Chan Triples tournament in preparation for the World Outside Bowling Championship, which had been postponed, unfortunately, indefinitely because of the COVID-19 pandemic global lockdown. Now, I wish these dedicated and hardworking members well and every success in the pursuit to continue to do well in the sport of bowling and in representing our beloved nation as good sporting ambassadors and promoting the sport to the present and future generations of our people. I've been told that we need more young people to join the club and play bowls. I hope you can attract more young people as a consequence of what you've done in improving the facilities of the club. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to wish the Suva Bowling Club and its members well and every success in your future endeavors. Stay safe. Happy bowling. Nawaleo, thank you. Dhanyavad, Shukra, Fayakshan. May Almighty God continue to bless our beloved nation and all of humanity. Thank you.
Done. Yeah, well done.
Okay, there we go.